my name is Carla. I've been with LivBay for 1.5 years. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we're going to be showing how to isolate lashes. The importance of isolating is you don't want to get any stickies together. You want to make sure that your work is clean, separated, and easy to work with. Poor isolation causes poor health for your natural lash. One way that we isolate properly is by using the right tweezers. So I use the Curvy Babe. So you can see it does have a curve right over here. This allows me to have a better visual of the natural lash. Of course, it is preference. You could always use straight tweezers. This is just what helps me lash a little better. So going in with your tweezer, you want to make sure you hold them in, grabbing your other tweezer, separating from the other natural lashes, poking it through and opening your tweezer. This will allow you to see the natural lash on its own. So another way on how to use your tweezers is just by sifting away from each other, making sure all the natural lashes pop out, going in and fully isolating. This will allow you to grab every single natural lash and putting an extension on it. So another way to getting great isolation is by using tape. The reason I am using blue medical tape is because this one's not as harsh as the other tapes and it will come off smoothly. Another great thing about the blue tape is that it is a lot softer than any other tape, so whenever you go to pull it off or take it off, you aren't pulling any of the extensions off with it. So after sanitizing my hands, I'm going to go in with the blue tape, cut it in half. I'm going to go in at the back of my palm because I've already sterilized it, and make sure I get a little bit unstuck right in the middle. The reason I only detach the middle of the tape is because I want those sides to still be sticky. That way it can hold on to your skin a lot better. So going in with the blue tape, just want to get the lash extensions back. This will allow me to have better visual of those natural lashes to have better proper isolation. The reason that I use tape is because it's great at getting into those really hard edges. So going in with the tape, just taping the inner of her lash and pulling back, it allows me to see those natural lashes on the inner corner. So going in with the tape again, you can also expose those outer corners. The last thing that I do use tape for is by getting in those hard to reach spots. So going in and taping the side of one lash and the side of the next allows me to see more of those natural lashes that were hard to reach. This method is especially useful when doing mega sets or fills because it allows you to grab every single lash just to get a fluffier and fuller look. Making sure you have the proper isolation tweezers and the grip of them, also getting down the tape methods, will allow you to have better isolation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this brought a lot of value to you. Question for you: what's your favorite isolation tweezers? Leave your answers down below and we'll see you in the next video.